Meet the Blink Video Doorbell Smart Security made simple. Show sleek product shot plus quick install scene. See who's at your door in stunning HD day or night with motion alerts straight to your phone. Show live view plus night vision clip. Talk to visitors from anywhere with two-way audio and Alexa compatibility. Show user speaking through Echo device or phone. Go wire-free or connect to your existing Chime installation, takes minutes. Show quick setup and battery icon. Long-lasting battery, weather-resistant design, ready for every season. Show outdoor shot, rain, sun, Blink Video Doorbell security that fits your life.